Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp conversations more efficiently. Today, we're going to explore one of the most useful features in WhatsApp, archiving chats. This feature allows you to declutter your chat list by hiding conversations you don't need immediate access to, while still keeping them safe and accessible. First, let's start with why archiving chats is so useful. Imagine having a clean and organized chat list, where only the most important conversations are visible. This not only helps you focus on what matters, but also reduces clutter and makes it easier to find specific chats when you need them. Now, let's dive into the simple steps to archive a specific chat on WhatsApp. 1. Open WhatsApp. Begin by launching the WhatsApp app on your device. This is where all your conversations are stored, and it's where we'll start our process. 2. Tap on the Chats tab. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the Chats tab. This is where you'll see all your ongoing conversations. 3. Long press the chat you want to archive. Find the chat you wish to archive and long press on it. This will select the chat and bring up a menu of options at the top of your screen. 4. Tap the archive icon at the top right corner. Look for the archive icon, which resembles a box with an arrow pointing downwards. Tap on this icon to move the selected chat to the Archived Chats section. That's it. Your chat is now archived, and it will remain hidden from your main chat list unless you choose to unarchive it. Even if new messages arrive in an archived chat, it will stay archived, keeping your main chat list tidy. Archiving chats is a great way to keep your conversations organized without deleting them. You can always access archived chats by scrolling to the top of the Chats tab and tapping on the archived folder. This feature is especially useful for keeping sensitive or less frequently used conversations out of sight while still maintaining easy access to them. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations and keep your chat list organized and clutter-free. Whether you're dealing with personal or professional chats, archiving is a simple yet powerful tool to help you stay on top of your digital communications.